Yeah, it's playing.
Alright, 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Good. Keep breathing. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. One more. 15. Relax. Slow and smooth. Smooth fast. You got it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good. That's right. There you go. Use that knee. Push up. 3. Big deep breath. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Keep breathing. Get that heart rate up. Set to 5. Come on. Hit that bar. 2, 3, 4, 5. Big breath. Back on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Back on the bar. Halfway there. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5 more. Step right back onto it. 16, 17, 18, 19. One more. 20. Good. Make this mechanical. Catch your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. 6, 7. Catch your breath. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good. You got it. You got 4 minutes. Come on. Take your breath. As soon as you put this on, I want a set of 5. Nice and easy. Good. Right on the bar, set of 5. We'll catch our breath in the next break. Set yourself tight core, strong back. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 4, 5. Good. Big breath. back on that bar, back on the bar, approach the bar. You got 5, easy. Set of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. Nice. Right back to the bar, right back to the bar. Make a circle around the box and that's it. Come on, set of 5. This is it, this is the end, Greg. You got it. This is the hard part. Set of 5. Think about that form, think about your back. There you go. 2, 3, 4, one more. 15. Down the box and right back on. Down the back, right back on. Shake it out. Come on, set of 5. Right back on that bar. Got 2 sets left, Greg. Come on. 2.5 minutes. I want you on that 315. Let's do it. Set of 5. Set of 5. Easy day. 5. Think about your form. Drive through your heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 4. Last one. Nice. Good. Down that box. Shake it out. This is the end line. 2 minutes, Greg. You got this. Come on. 2 minutes. Last set of 5. Right on that bar. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Right on that bar. Set of 5. We'll rest over here. Come on, set of 5. You got it. Tighten that back up. Tighten that back up. Through the heels. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes. Last one, last one. Drive through the heels. Nice. You got this. Start that step up. Start. Good. 1. There you go. Just like that. Mechanical. 2, 3. This is the hard part, Greg. You got it. 4, 5. Keep breathing. I want you to get that breath back and forth. 6. Slow it down. 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. Make this a 4 to 15 more. 11, 12, 13, there you go. Come on. 14 to 15. 14, 15. Right on, Greg, right on. Come on. Throw those plates on there. This is the hard push. Remember we talked about it. You got 30 seconds, Greg. Slow and smooth, getting the weights on. And I want you right on that bar. Come on. 30 seconds. You're looking for 10 pulls. Think about your form. Set up. You got plenty of time. 1. Keep pulling. Don't stop. 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. One more. 6. Good. Nice, good. 136, I believe.